Hey Stock Up 42 here, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button. We produce videos on crypto, investing, and making money online. So hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video.
We put in hours of research so you don't have to.
A quick disclaimer before we get started. We are not financial advisors, invest at your own risk. This video is for educational purposes only.
With that out of the way, let's get started.
Today we are going to show you a few apps to get you started on investing with cryptocurrencies. You can also earn free crypto with these.
Which means free money. That's a good idea, Nikki. Which one should we start with?
All of these apps will be super easy to understand and get started with. How about we start with Hi app?
That's a great app. You can earn one Hi coin every day by answering a simple question.
Yes, and it's currently worth over $1 in value and has the potential to increase over time. So you can actually get started with no money at all.
I will put a link in the description of the video because this is an exclusive app available by invite only.
Absolutely, all the links you are going to need will be in the description of the video. When a friend signs up using your link, you can earn 50% more Hi coin and an additional 50% for the friends they invite.
Now that's a great investment opportunity. You can also purchase Bitcoin, Etherum, Dogecoin, and other great cryptocurrencies in the app.
Please hit the like button so YouTube will show our videos to more viewers. The next app we should talk about is Coinbase.
Absolutely. Coinbase rewards you free crypto by simply watching short videos and answering a few questions.
Yes, we have earned over $60 in free crypto on Coinbase. And you can keep picking the answers to the questions until you get the right one. So you will receive the free crypto no matter what.
That's awesome. Crypto.com now has missions you can complete to earn crypto.
Yes, you simply click on the mission button once a day to earn diamonds that you trade for mystery boxes.
Yes, and those mystery boxes contain a random number of free cryptocurrencies.
The app also has hundreds of great cryptocurrencies listed you can invest in.
I feel like we should also mention the Coin app. We have earned a lot of XYO cryptocurrency with the master plan. And you can earn money by walking, driving, playing mini games, watching ads and taking surveys.
Yes, and we also have a video on YouTube that shows you how to get the master plan without having to wait for the invite. The video is called The Master Plan Hack and you can find it on our YouTube channel. We are not currently monetized by YouTube. Any ads showing at the time this video was made is revenue going to YouTube itself. Your donations to the channel are greatly appreciated. If you would like to donate, there will be a link in the comments section on the video. Thanks in advance. You can also help us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching and God bless you. Thanks for being part of the community.